So we start off by adding some pineapple into our blender. So we'll add a little more, and I have a mix of pineapple and beetroot. So here we have our pineapple juice. So what is responsible for the change of color is the beetroot that drop into the juice. So I'll add some of the juice into it to help blending easy, or to make blending easy. So I'll start with the blender. Guys, see, one thing I just love about beetroot is the transformative color it gives to whatever you add it to. Just see that tiny chunk of beetroot I added and see how transformed the pineapple has turned to. So I'll open up my blender and I'll add some cucumber and more beetroot and let that blend up a bit to a smooth texture. So So for the second batch of the smoothie, beetroot, pineapple and cucumber I'll be making, I'll be using just water because I really don't have enough pineapple juice, and to make blending easy, I'll be adding just water, as you can see here. And I'll turn on my blender. So I'll be adding some cucumbers, as you can see, into my blender, and I'll add some beetroot into it. So if you don't have pineapple, like I said, if you don't have pineapple juice, you can use water, because the only difference it will have or it will make is the sweetness would reduce, because you are replacing water as your juice or as your liquid. So that's just the only difference. So here is the first batch I made with pineapple juice, and trust me, the taste is as great as the second batch and every other batch I made. So imagine now incorporating everything, the one with the pineapple juice and the one without the pineapple juice, into each other, so you will be sure you have a great taste. So I'll be showing you when I bottle up everything. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, and please give this video a thumbs up. Do well to subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, with your family and your loved ones, and please do well to drop me in the comment section the review about how yummy or how smooth or how well you enjoy this smoothie recipe, and would you be trying this out. Do well to drop me a message in the comment section. Until we meet again, I love you.